Hello, Shah from Boost IT. I'm at University of Queensland this morning just to have a look at a demo of Robotics, which is robotics driven design for mainly the construction and architecture industries. The lecturers and PhD students are working on new ways of bringing custom design through robotics to Australian businesses. So being on University of Queensland campus is sort of taking me back to the days late in the 1990s. I won't specify exactly when, but funnily enough I asked an undergrad who was doing computer science, a female as well, and just randomly asked for directions, and she told me she is in the faculty next door, which is the technology campus, and interestingly enough I stumbled upon someone else who's also a computer science nerd. If you are in manufacturing and have ideas that involve that can be supported by robotics, there are some grants available, and also some laboratories and the expertise on university campuses that can assist Australian businesses bring technology and design to the manufacturing field. I will post some more information as I get it,